We are Alessandro and Valentina. We arrived in Malta 4 years ago because we was looking for a job.
When we decided to move to Malta, it was not a planned thing.
We just try.
It was like a trial. So we said each other,
A challenge.
yes, let's give us a time limit. Let's give us 1 month. Let's see if we manage to find a job, if we manage to find a place. And if we won't find it in a month, we'll just pretend it was an holiday. But in 1 week we managed to find a job, to find a place. I mean, it was like a hand guided us, for sure.
Exactly.
When we did the pre-wedding course, we were told, you are not going to get married as Valentina and Alessandro only, but you will be 3. So Jesus is with you in your marriage life.
I feel the presence of God in my daily life because one evidence of God is my wife, Valentina. Especially when I have some issue or I feel frustrated for something, doesn't work exactly, she's always on my side.
Someone said me, miracles in life don't happen suddenly, but little by little. And this is done by the Holy Spirit, in my opinion.
For me, the Holy Spirit is like a friend, like my best friend. He calls me every day. Because he's my best friend, he always takes care of me. I feel his presence, to be honest, in everything. Even sometimes if I forgot, he keeps to remind me.
I remember when I used to be part of the charismatic community, sometimes during the prayers, I felt the need of crying. It was, I didn't know why I was crying, but I was sure that it was a kind of healing. I can compare it like when the doctor cuts the bad part of your disease and it hurts. But then, I mean, it's a blessing, no? It's a healing. O sangue ed acqua che scaturisti dal cuore di Gesù, come sorgente di misericordia per noi, confido in te.